Hey everybody, I'm back again for another unboxing. I have a huge backlog of videos that I'm supposed to do. I have a lot of unboxings and reviews to do. I also would like to do some tutorials, and those are my favorite ones because I get to design. I know you love those too, but we can't design without having beads. So that's one of my goals, is to show you what's out there. So today we're going to be opening up the Curated Bead Box for the month of September. Now, if you're not familiar with that box, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. Basically, the Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription box, and it includes beads, charms, pendants. All of the items are specially selected, and they usually come in a combination of colors and themes. Usually there are enough materials to make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and anything you want. The box sells for $20 a month, and that includes shipping in the USA. And one of the nice things about this box is the starter findings kit, which usually comes in either gold or silver, and it includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and clasps. So basically there's no need to go out and buy anything extra because it all comes in the box, of course minus the tools. And if you don't want to sign up for the subscription, you can always just buy one individual box. I know they sell previous boxes on their website, and like I said, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below along with a coupon code for 35% off your first box. The coupon code is Luisa 35. Now, if you haven't had a chance to see the unboxing for the August box or the tutorial that I made with those beads, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. Let me show you what I made with those beads. Isn't it cute? I'm going to actually be giving away that necklace, so if you're interested in participating in that giveaway, go watch the video because all of the instructions on how to enter are in that video. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below. Okay everybody, let's go ahead and get started. I can't wait to open up this box. I'm so excited. Berries and cherries. Doesn't that sound delicious? And it looks delicious too. That's one of the things I like about this box. They give you a little preview of what's inside. And right over here are the contents of the box. And over here on the right are some codes that you can use on their website. So if you're looking for a particular item from the box, you can go to the website and put in the code and find what you're looking for. The dollarbead.com website, okay? I'll leave a link down below. So if you want to go check it out, you can. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this lovely box. I can't wait. Okay, let me go ahead and take it out. And boy, there's a lot of beads here. And look at all these beads, guys. Oh my gosh, you get so much for your money, you really do. This is actually the Finding Starter Kit. I love this kit because if you're a new beader, it contains pretty much everything that you need to get started. But anyway, let me go ahead and organize these beads and we'll go through them. Let's go ahead and start with the large beads. These are 12 millimeters in size. And this one is the blood red glass pearl bead strand. This one's the crimson glass pearl bead strand. And this one is the bronze silver leaf style glass bead strand. This one is 8 inches long. And look how beautiful this red is. I love deep reds. I like deep red better than I do bright red. And these pearls are actually pretty good quality. I always look at the drilled holes to see the edges, because you can always tell the quality by the way they're drilled. And these look pretty good. I love the luster, guys. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And these too, these are so beautiful. Now they're calling this crimson, but to me it looks like a purple. I thought crimson was red, but they're calling this crimson for some reason. But you know what? The name isn't important. It's the beauty of the bead that matters. And I love this color. Very pretty. And then this one is so interesting to me. They have a little bit of silver leaf, as you can see, and they have some bronze up against an off-white background. Definitely opaque. And so interesting. Oh my gosh, these are so interesting. I love them. These are 8 millimeters in size. This one is the red swirl marble style glass bead. And this one is the plum jade style glass bead. This strand is 10.5 inches long, and this one is 16 inches long. And once again, the background of this bead is like an off-white color, and it has some dark red splashes throughout. Very beautiful dark red color. I love this red, I really do. So pretty. Very interesting. And you can tell they selected the reds so that they all match. I like that. And then this one here is a jade style glass bead, which I love. I love jade style glass beads because they're not opaque, they're a little bit transparent. So some of the light does shine through the bead. And these are just so pretty. It's a lovely purplish color. Here they are up against the large 12mm beads. As you can see, they coordinate perfectly. I love that. It just makes it so much easier to design when the colors coordinate. And here are some 6mm beads. Each of these strands is 16 inches long. This first one is the Wine Sea Beach style glass bead, and this one is the Blood Red Jade style glass bead. And I think this is such a pretty bead. I just love the frosted look. I love how the light shines through it. And the red inside the bead kind of changes a little bit depending on the light. So pretty. I love it. And of course, this is the jade, and I love the jade style glass beads for the reasons I stated before. They're a little bit transparent and they allow the light to shine through a little bit. So beautiful. And these definitely coordinate with the other larger beads because of the dark red tones. Here's a pretty strand of amethyst gemstone chips. It's 10.5 inches long, and the chips are between 8 and 10mm in size. I love using chips. I actually love using them in memory wire bracelets. If you've seen any of my videos, you will have seen that I use these quite a bit to anchor the beads in place when I'm creating bead patterns. They add so much interest to any piece, really. And these chips are actually very smooth. I've had some chips that are a little bit on the rough side, but these are nice and smooth, very comfortable. And I love the different variations of amethyst. Isn't that pretty, guys? So beautiful. You can see a little bit of gray as well. Here's a bag of silver filigree metal beads. Each one is 16mm in size, and there are 12 beads in here. Aren't they beautiful? So pretty. These would make great earrings, and the reason I'm saying that is because they're nice and lightweight. Okay, as you can see, they're hollow inside. But you could put these in a necklace as well. You can make dangles out of these. Very pretty. I love these. Here's a bag of glass beads, and they're calling it Berry's Glass Bead Mix. It's 1.5 ounces. Let me dump them out. It's a pretty mix of a kind of a fuchsia color, I would say, some bronze, and some of these beautiful coin-shaped glass beads. Aren't these gorgeous? Let me give you a close-up. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them on a magic rod so you can take a better look. Here they are on my rods, and I couldn't thread all of these in because there's so many of them. But let me show you this large one first. I love these coin beads here. These are so pretty. Very unique. And here's some more of the pearl beads. Similar in size to what I showed you before, just in a different color. And then these two plum colored beads here. Some more crackle beads here. And here are some white ones with a little bit of fuchsia, as you can see. And here's some more. These are jade style. And these are crackle beads right here. What a pretty shade of pink that is. I love it. Here's a lovely silver metal pendant. It's 32mm in size, and it has a pretty red dyed turquoise stone right there. Look how pretty that is, guys. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. As you can see, there's a little bit of a scrolly design here. So unusual. Let me show you the back. There's the back. It's absolutely beautiful. It really is. Pretty heavy too. Last but not least is this Findings starter kit, which I think is so neat, especially if you're a new beader. Let me show you what's in it. We have some elastic cord, and it's pretty thick. Usually they include elastic cord that's pretty thick, so this will definitely hold big beads. We have some memory wire, and I believe this is 0.7mm, and when I say 0.7mm, I'm referring to the thickness of the wire. This is beading wire, and I believe it's 7-strand. I always get asked that question, but I went to their website and checked out their beading wire, and they sell 7-strand, so I think that's what this is. Okay. Then we have some head pins, as you can see, and these head pins are pretty hard, pretty substantial. We have some ear wire hooks, and it's the kind that has the little bead on it, as you can see. Let me pull it out so I can show you. Alright, so these are pretty nice. We have some lobster claw clasps in a silver color. We have some 6mm jump rings, and I love their jump rings. They are such good quality. Let me show you. Sometimes it's hard to tell unless you pull them out of the bag, but these are very good quality jump rings, and they're relatively thick too, so they're pretty secure. So these are definitely not going to fail on you, whether you use them at the clasp or however you use them. And then we have some crimp beads, and these are pretty small. Okay, they're small crimp beads, silver colored. So if you're a new beader and you're wondering how to get started, this kit will definitely help you get started. Well, this is the full collection, and don't you just love these colors? And of course we have the Finding Starter Kit, which to me adds so much value if you're a beginner. So anyway guys, I love these colors. I know I'm going to come up with something really pretty. So please come back, check my channel, because I'll be publishing a tutorial very soon. Let me go ahead and clean this up, and I'll come back and say goodbye. Well, I think I know what I'm going to make. I already have some ideas floating through my head. I am very inspired because of those gorgeous red colors. And I love that pendant too. So look for that tutorial. I should be publishing it soon, and I can tell you that it's going to be a stunning piece. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.